New arrival dash priced below the market average dash premium sound, fog lights, keyless entry, and trunk release remote. This jet black 1998 BMW 5 Series 528e 4 doors SDN Auto is priced to sell fast. This 5 Series has a very popular jet black exterior color with a beige interior that looks fantastic. Chermak Auto Auction prides itself on value pricing its vehicles and exceeding all customer expectations. The next step? Give us a call to confirm availability and schedule a hassle-free test drive. We are located at 2135 South Kilburn Ave, Chicago, Ill. 60623.